Hi guys, heartily welcome to our favorite video channel SGVS. This is B Ramesh Kumar. Now let us discuss one of the important topic in senior intermediate, that is match to be circles. So this is very important topic because of from this topic there are 22 marks are came from this chapter in up to last year. So first of all, here we discuss large answer type questions in IPE level. Here the type of questions, the first model is equation of circle passing through 3 points. Here to find equation of circle passing through 3 points. Given 3 points to find equation of circle. Now to solve this type of problem using 4 methods in our textbook. So the first method is circumcenter method. In this method, first of all, consider the required circle passing through given 3 points. Let it be that 3 points will be 3 vertices of one triangle. And also, let us assume that some S of HK or S of XY. S of HK or S of XY be the circumcenter. For example, this is the circle. These are 3 points. Now here we join these 3 points. We form one triangle. Here S of HK is circumcenter. S of HK is the circumcenter. This circumcenter is equidistant from all vertices. So here we take SA equals to SB equals to SC. Now using distance formula, we take two conditions. We get two equations. Now solving the two equations, then we get circumcenter. And also we know circumcenter, and also we know any one point we take SA or SB or SC to find distance between SA or SB or SC, that is the radius. Using center and radius to find equation of circle. This is the procedure of circumcenter method. So now let us discuss the model number 1, circumcenter method. Here to find equation of circle passing through given 3 points. So the first step is, let the required circle is passing through given 3 points. Let A equals to 3, 4, B equals to 3, 2, C equals to 1, 4. Here the required circle passing through given 3 points. Therefore, these 3 points lie on the circle. Here we take this is A, this is B, this is C. Let us assume that the center of the circle is S of HK. Here clearly we observe, join the points AB, AC and BC. This forms one triangle. Here in this the center S of HK is clearly equidistant to from the given vertices. This is equidistant from the given vertices. S of HK is. Therefore, here the circle is passing through vertices of the triangle and center is equidistant from the given vertices. Therefore, clearly S is circumcenter. So, then that method is called circumcenter method. Here let S of HK be the center of the circle. Center of the circle. Clearly this is equidistant from given vertices. Then clearly here we take SA equals to SB equals to SC. SA equals to SB equals to SC. Now squaring on both sides, SA square equals to SB square equal to SC square. Here we have to find distance between S and A, S and B, S and C using distance formula. Here using one and only one formula. That formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This formula will be used here. Now here in first condition we take SA square equals to SB square. In this, S is HK, A is 3, 4, B is 3, 2. Now we take these 2 points. SA means here H minus 3 whole square plus K minus 4 whole square equals to SB square. In this also we take H minus 3 whole square plus K minus 2 whole square. Clearly we observe that in distance formula already squaring on both sides, here square root will be cancelled. Now here we write only in terms in the square root, here we write only. So therefore it can be simplified that here we observe in both sides H minus 3 whole square will be there. Therefore that term will be cancelled. In remaining terms can be simplified that which is our A minus 2 whole square formula. Now we write A square plus B square minus 2AB. That is K square plus 16 minus 8K equals to, in this, K square plus 4 minus 4K. In both sides K square also cancel. Here we take minus 8K to left side, right side, plus 8K minus 4K, that is 4K. In this we take 4 can be taken to left side, 16 minus 4 is 12. In this K equals to 3. Similarly, we take SA square equals to SC square or SB square equal to SC square. Here also already found H minus 2 whole square plus K minus 4 whole square is always equals to SA square. So here in left side same term will be taken. In right side SC square. C is 1 4. Therefore H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 4 whole square. Here also we observe in both sides K minus 4 whole square will be cancelled. Now it can be simplified that H minus 3 whole square means H square plus 9 minus 6H. In right side H square plus 1 minus 2H. In both sides H square is also cancelled. We take minus 6H to right side plus 6H minus 2H. 4H. In this 1 can be taken to left side, 9 minus 1 is 8. So H equals to 8 by 4, that is 2. So therefore H equals to 2. So in center HK already found the value of H and K. Now substitute these two values in center. Therefore center of the circle equal to S of HK equals to S of H means 2, K means 3. 2, 3. And to find radius. Clearly we observe that this is equidistant from given 3 vertices. Already this is one of the constant distance. Therefore this constant distance is called radius. So here we take radius equals to either SA or SB or SC. We take one of the value SA. SA means H minus 3 whole square plus K minus 4 whole square square root of. HK means 2 and 3. So square root of 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 4 whole square. In this it can be simplified that 2 minus 3 whole square means 1 square, that is 1. 3 minus 4 whole square means 1, that is root 2. Now using center and radius to find equation of circle. We know that standard form of circle. equals to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Here we substitute h, k and r in this. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to root 2 whole square. It can be simplified that x square plus 4 minus 4x in this y square plus 9 minus 6y. This is 2. Now here we write x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y. In this 9 plus 4 equals to 13. 13 minus 2, that is plus 11 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equals 0. This is the required circle of the passing through given 3 points. This is the solution for this question. So it is very, very important. Now the next question is 1, 2, 3 minus 4, 5 minus 6. Here given 3 points are 1, 2, 3 minus 4, 5 minus 6. Here also using same method. Let A 1, 2, B 3 minus 4, C 5 minus 6 be lying on the required equation of circle. Here we take required circle is passing through given 3 points, or let the points A, B, C be lying on the required equation of circle. Here in 2 statements, here we take any one of the statement, that is the first statement. And also let S of HK be the center. So we take one diagram. This is circle, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is S. Clearly we observe that S is equidistant from the all points, given points. So this fixed distance or constant distance is always called radius. Now here radius equals to SA equal to SB equal to SC. And also clearly we observe, we join all points. This forms one triangle. Here S is center, which is equidistant from all vertices. Therefore S is called circumcenter. Circumcenter means here circumcenter is point of intersection of congruent point of perpendicular bisectors. Here these 3 are perpendicular bisectors of AB, BC, CA. Now here the congruent point of perpendicular bisectors is called circumcenter. This center is clearly equidistant from all vertices. Therefore that method is called circumcenter method. Here then clearly we have SA equal to SB equal to SC. Now squaring, SA square equals to SB square equal to SC square. Now here we take one condition. SA square equal to SB square. Using distance formula, that is distance formula. Here we write distance formula. The formula of the length of any 2 points. Using the formula x2 minus x1 whole square, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Now here using that formula to find SA square and SB square. Already we take squaring, therefore here square root will be cancelled. Now S is HK, A means 1, 2. Here we write h minus 1 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square. In right side is SB square, h minus 3 whole square plus k minus of minus 4, that is k plus 4 whole square. Now here it can be simplified that in this a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square formulas will be used. So this is h square plus 1 minus 2h, in this plus k square plus 4 minus 4k. In right side h square plus 9 minus 6h plus k square plus 16 plus 8k. Here we observe both sides h square and k square will be cancelled. So here it can be simplified that in right side minus 6h is there. Take it to left side plus 6h minus 2h, that is 4h. In right side 8k is there. Take it to left side minus 8k minus 4k, that is minus 12k. Constants in left side, constants are 1 plus 4, that is 5. In this 9 plus 16, 25. So minus 25, that is minus 20 equal to 0. Now here divide with 4, that is h minus 3k minus 5 equal to 0, which is equation 1. Similarly we take second relation, SA square equal to SC square or SB square equal to SC square. Here SA square equal to SC square. Already SA square is found in first condition, that is h minus 1 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square. H minus 1 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square. In right side SC square is there. SC square means h minus 5 whole square plus k plus 6 whole square. Here it can be simplified that h square plus 1 minus 2h plus k square plus 4 minus 4k. In right side this is h square plus 25 minus 10h. In this k square plus 36 plus 12k. Now here h square k square on both sides will be cancelled. And also this is minus 2h, this is minus 10h, taken to left side plus 10h plus 10h minus 2h means 8h. In this minus 4k in left side, in right side plus 12k. Take into left side minus 12 minus 4, that is minus 16k. The constants 1 plus 4 is 5. In RH side 25 plus 36, 25, 30, 55 plus 6, 61. So this is minus 61, that means 6, 5. So minus 56 equal to 0. Now divide with 8, h minus 2k, 8 7 is 56, minus 7. So here two equations are there. We observe that these two equations, here h's are common. Now here we take 1 minus 2. The given equation, solving equations 1 and 2, that is here we take 1 minus 2, which implies in this h minus 3k minus 5 equals 0. In this h minus 2k minus 7 equals 0. Now here we take minus. Here in second equation signs will be changed. H cancel, minus 3k plus 2k, that is minus k. This is plus 2 equals 0. Here we write k equals to 2. Now using 2, then we get h value from equation 1. Here we write h equal to 3k plus 5. H minus 3k minus 5 equals 0. In this we take minus 3k minus 5 to right side, that is plus 3k plus 5. So 3 into 2 plus 5. This is 6 plus 5 is 11. Therefore center of the circle S of hk equals to 11, 2. This is the center. And here to find radius. Radius is SAR, SBR, SC. So here we take the point A, that is 1, 2, to find radius using distance formula. SA equals to square root of 11 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square, that is 0. 11 minus 1 whole square means in this 10 square, 10 square square root, that is 10. We know that standard form of circle. That is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Now substitute hk and r in this standard form. Here we write x minus 11 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square 10 square. That implies x square plus 121 minus 22x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y equal to 100. Now here it can be written as x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y. In this is 121 plus 4 125. Here we take 100 to left side. 125 minus 100, that is plus 25 equal to 0. So this is the equation of circle passing through given 3 points. This is the solution. So here remaining problems, we practice remaining problems using same method to find solution of the given problems in exercise 1A. So practice and prepare well. Wish you all the best. Thank you. And we discuss next method in the next video.